Welcome back to Paradise in sunny Fuerteventura. It's very gusty today, so I have to be careful. But we're at one of the surfer beaches in Fuerteventura in Corralejo by the sand dunes. This is where we are, guys. Look at that, this is where we are. Look how blue that water is, so clear. Ridiculous, so clear, really is. So good to be back in paradise. It's 26 degrees air temperature right now. So good to be back, it really is. And like the famous sand dunes over there. "26 degrees, guys, what more else can you ask? Fuck off, fly." Gusting about 40-mile-per-hour winds right now, so I have to be careful, guys. It's lovely today. Been enjoying my holidays so far. Been good. Spending a day at the beach with Dean and Amanda. And how clear that water is. Sea temperature is around 20 degrees. Going for a swim in a bit. Welcome to paradise, guys. Bloody windy. And it's windy. "7 minutes left of flight time."
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Can't get over how blue that water is, man. It's incredible.